Hi, welcome to Career Launcher. Imagine two candidates appearing for a board exam. While both of them put a dedicated and similar effort, one still manages to secure 2 to 3 percentage higher than the other because the former was lucky enough to have his paper evaluated by a lenient examiner. While one may definitely argue the complexities involved, but a mere increase in a percentage point will definitely put a candidate in advantageous position, especially in case where universities are admitting students on the basis of merit. We all are aware about the unprecedented high cutoffs for the last few years in universities like DU. The problem with merit-based admissions is manifold. Not only it leads to unfair advantage to few, but disadvantage to others who may not have been through a favorable day while appearing for one of the subjects in the board exam. It also leads to disparity in the peer group composition, an element which is very much important for the learning process to be effective. So what is the solution to this problem? I believe to bring parity and to provide students with an equal opportunity for admissions to the higher education space, an entrance exam designed on the lines of aptitude and application of knowledge is the way forward. Because entrances do not discriminate. They provide equal opportunities to the students as well as the examiner who are able to gauge the interest and the caliber of the prospective students. While an outright solution is not expected, the National Education Policy 2020 addresses the core issue of admissions to the central universities to a larger extent. The NEP proposes that central universities conduct a common entrance exam for admissions to all their programs. The CUCET, or the Central Universities Common Entrance Test, will be conducted twice in an academic year starting 2022, but for the academic year 2021, it is likely to be conducted only once. The government and the Ministry of Education has already moved a step forward, and they have already constituted a committee which is evaluating the feasibility process and the logistics of conducting the common entrance examination, and which in all likelihood is going to be an online exam to be conducted by national testing agencies. A single entrance exam will definitely help you a lot because you will not be under tremendous pressure to write multiple examinations for admissions to different universities, and it will also be lighter on your pockets. Stay tuned to our channel to get more insights